Hello mga ka-researchers and my beloved students. I'm your teacher, Sir Christopher Uminga. So last meeting class, I discussed to you how to write the title and how to write the problem, rationale, and background of the study. So this time class, I'm going to teach you on how to write the statement of the problems, objectives of the study. So usually itong statement of the problem and objectives of the study is written after the problem, rationale, and background of the study. So ito ay susulat ninyo pagkatapos ng rationale and background of the study. So this is still part of chapter 1. Okay? Okay. Ano ba yung characteristics of a research problem and objectives? So ano ba yung mga katangian ng isang research problem and objectives? It should be smart. When we say smart, it should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bounded. So kapag sinabing specific, kailangan eksakto yung iyong research problem and objectives. Kailangan nandun sa problem na yun yung gusto mo talagang malaman. Okay, kailangan eksakto. For example ng problem, what is the mean weight of mud crabs? Sila serrata cultured in fish pond using pellets and bread meal as supplemental feeds. So dito sa problem na ito, gusto niyang malaman kung ano yung mas maganda. Kung ano bang mas mabigat ang resulta ng mga mud crabs, yung pinakain ng pellets or yung pinakain ng bread meal as supplemental feeds. Okay? So that is a research problem. Okay? Yung objective niya is to determine the mean weight of mud crab Sila serrata cultured in fish pond using pellets and bread meal as supplemental feeds. So meaning to say, objective niya ay manggagaling mismo sa problem. Okay? So gagawa ka ng iyong objective. You want to determine the mean weight. So nakuha dyan mean weight of mud crabs cultured in fish pond using pellets and bread meal as supplemental feeds. Okay, so this problem and objective should be specific. Kailangan eksakto at kailangan precise. Number 2, measurable. Kailangan ba malaman na measurable ang problem and objective? It is easy to measure by using research instrument, apparatus, and equipments in gathering data. So meaning to say, gagamit ka ng mga instrument, apparatus. For example, dito sa research na ito, ang mga apparatus na gagamitin mo ay weighing scale. No? Kailangan mong weighing scale para malaman mo ang mean weight, para malaman mo ang bigat. Gagamit ka ng weighing scale. pH meter, ito ay para malaman mo kung acidic or basic ang tubig doon sa fish pond. Then thermometer, kung mainit o malamig ang tubig doon sa fish pond. And of course, other instrument and apparatus na kailangan mo dyan sa experiment. Okay, number 3, it should be achievable. Dapat daw ang research problem and objective is achievable. So, kapag sinabing achievable, kailangan gagamit ka ng correct statistical tools. No? So, yung lesson nyo sa statistics to be able to arrive at exact result. For the above example problem, use average mean. Average mean para makuha mo ang average niya. Then t-test naman for comparison of weight from pellet and bread meals. So para malaman mo kung alin ang mas maganda ang resulta, yung pinakain ng pellets or yung pinakain ng bread meal. So gagamit ka ng t-test. Okay? Mag-compute ka gamit ang t-test to determine the comparison weight from pellet and bread meals. Then number 4, it should be realistic. Kailangan na nagiging realistic ang objectives and problems of the study. They should be attained because they are gathered scientifically. So, kailangan you have to follow. Kailangan mong i-follow ang procedures and steps sa paggawa ng research and not maneuver. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo hinuhulaan or gawa-gawa lang yung resulta ng iyong experiment. Kailangan daw realistic. Then number 5, time-bounded. Okay, para maging time-bounded ang research problem objective, you have to have a time frame if necessary. So, kung kailangan isang buwan matatapos mo ang research o pwedeng 2 buwan, kailangan iset mo yung eksaktong time na matatapos mo ang research. Because the shorter the completion of the research, the better. Siyempre, kung mas mabilis matapos ang research, mas mabilis mong ma-apply ang iyong resulta ng iyong research. Okay? Next is, okay, how to write the statement of the problem. Paano nga ba magsulat ng statement of the problems? Okay? Usually, ang statement of the problems are possible questions that need to be answered in the research study. So, ito yung mga katanungan mo na gusto mong malaman doon sa iyong research study. Okay? For example, ng title, The Effect of Makahiya Leaves Mimosa Pudica. extract as insecticides against termites. Okay, kung ganyan ang iyong research problem, gusto mong malaman kung may epekto ba ang makahiya dun sa mga anay. Okay, paano ba magsulat ng statement of the problem? Isulat nyo ang statement of the problem. Then, this study aims to answer the following questions. Okay, magbigay ka ng mga question na specific. Mag-base ka dyan sa title niya. What treatment of makahiya leaves exterminate or kill most of the termites? Okay? Anong treatment? Ano ba yung tinatawag na treatment? Okay? So dito sa example na ito, sa experiment na ito, gagawa ka ng mga treatments. No? Pwede yung, siguro gagamit ka lang ng tubig lang ang gagamitin mo. Yun ang isang treatment. Another treatment is, siguro gagamit ka ng tubig at saka kalahating kilo ng makahiya leaves extract. So, kalahating tubig, kalahating kilo ng makahiya leaves extract. Okay? Then, yung pangatlong treatment siguro, purong makahiya leaves extract. Okay? So, may tatlong treatments. Water, yung isa ay pinagsamang water at saka leaves extract. Yung pangatlo ay purong leaves extract. So, alin kaya doon ang mas maraming pinapatay na termites? Number 2, what treatment of makahiya leaves extract records the fastest time to exterminate or kill most of the termites? So, alin kaya dun sa tatlong treatment, yung tubig lang ba, yung pinaghalong tubig at saka makahiya leaves extract, or yung purong makahiya leaves extract ang mas mabilis na makakapatay sa mga termites? Then number 3, how effective are makahiya leaves extract as insecticide against termites? Okay, sa tingin mo may namatay kaya? May napatay kaya kapag gagamit ka ng makahiya leaves extract? Okay, how effective is it? Okay, so yan ang possible statements of the problem. Pwedeng tatlo, pwede mong dagdagan yan, no, kung gusto mong magdagdag ng statement of the problems. Okay, another example ng title is the acceptability of pandesal bread with malunggay, moringa oleifera leaves. So dito nag-bake siya ng pandesal bread, nilagyan niya ng malunggay leaves. Okay, ito yung example ng statement of the problems. This study aims to answer the following questions. What treatment gives the highest level of acceptance among consumers in terms of taste, odor, and texture? So dito nag-bake siya ng pandesal na mayroong malunggay. Then pinatakim niya sa mga mamimili or consumers. Then nirate or binigyan ng grade ng mga consumers ang taste niya. Ano ba ang lasa niya? From 1 to 10. 10 ba? 5, 4, or fair lang? Yung odor, yung amoy niya, yung texture niya, ito ba ay smooth ba siya or rough ang pagkakaluto ng malunggay pandesal? Then number 2, what is the general acceptability of pandesal with malunggay leaves in terms of taste, odor, and texture? So general acceptability, kapag nakuha mo na lahat ng resulta, i-compare mo, no? Ano ba ang mas magandang treatment? Yung may malunggay or yung walang malunggay? Okay, so yun ang mga treatments mo, yung may malunggay or yung walang malunggay na pandesal. So i-compare mo kung ano ang mas maganda. Yun ang general acceptability. Then number 3, what is the probability of pandesal with malunggay leaves when sold? Okay, ititinda mo ngayon yung pandesal na may malunggay at then i-compare mo kung mayroon ka bang ganansya, mayroon ka bang nag-gain after selling it or baka naman wala. Okay? So, yan ang possible na statement of the problems. Okay, next is how to write the objectives. Objectives naman ito, okay? Yung una ay statement of the problems. Ito naman ay objective, okay? When we say objective, it is written after the statement of the problem. So, isinusulat usually ang objective pagkatapos na ng mga statement of the problems. It is based on the statement of the problem. So, yung mga objectives mo ay magbe-base ka dun sa statement of the problems. Okay, dun mo makukuha yung objective sa mga statement of the problems. So, example, yung kanina, the effects of makahiya leaves, mimosa pudica extract as insecticide against termites. So, yan ang title ng study niya. So, when you are going to write this in your research paper, ganito ang pagkakasulat. Isulat mo ang objectives of the study. This study will be conducted, no? Will be, kasi research proposal pa yan. Hindi mo pa nagagawa, kaya future tense, will be conducted to achieve the following objectives. Number 1, letter A, to determine which treatment will exterminate or kill most of the termites. So ito ay nag-base doon sa number 1, statement of the problem kanina, okay? To determine which treatment will exterminate or kill most of the termites. Letter B, to find out which treatment of Macayal leaves extract will record the fastest time to exterminate or kill most of the termites. So ito ay base doon sa statement of the problem number 2. Then letter C, to determine if Macayal leaf extract is effective as insecticide against termites. So ito naman ay base doon sa statement of the problem number 3. Okay? So ganun lang po ang magsulat ng objectives. Then next is another example, the acceptability of pandesal bread with malunggay. So when you write it in your research paper, isulat nyo ang objectives of the study. This study will be conducted to achieve the following objectives. Letter A, to determine the level of acceptability of pandesal bread with malunggay leaves. So nag-base ka doon sa first na statement of the problem. Then letter B, to determine the general acceptability of pandesal bread with malunggay leaves. Okay, so nag-base ka doon sa pangalawang statement of the problem. Then letter C, to determine the profitability of pandesal bread with malunggay leaves. So nag-base ka naman doon sa number 3 statement of the problem. So ganyan lang ang magsulat ng statement of the problem and objectives of the study. So I hope you learned a lot from this topic. Okay, for your performance task, write the statement of the problems and objectives of the study of your research proposal. So isulat nyo doon sa inyong research proposal ang statement of the problems and objectives of your research study. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.